0 Plus, with ISOFIX. Extend the ISOFIX connectors at the bottom by pressing and sliding the white button forward. Align the ISOFIX clips to the clamps and push them in. Make sure the indicator turns green. Now, press the 360-degree rotation lever, then rotate the car seat facing backward to position 4. Now unroll the top tether strap. Adjust the length by pressing the top tether adjuster. You can alter the left and right lengths using the belt at the back of the car seat. Take the top tether hook and bring it to the back of the car seat through both sides. And latch it to the locking point behind. Check that the car seat is secured. Group 0 Plus without ISOFIX. Find the car seat positions pasted on the side sticker. Group 0 Plus requires position 4. Pull the adjustment lever on the bottom of the car seat and slide towards position 3. Press the 360-degree rotation lever. Then rotate the car seat facing backward to position 4. Take the seat belt and cross the waist strap underneath the armrests on both sides. Make sure there are no twists. Bring the diagonal strap around the back of the car seat and insert it into the belt slot. And then, fasten the seat belt. Group 1. Connect the ISOFIX system and make sure the indicator is green. You can choose position 1, 2, or 3 for Group 1. Push the adjustment lever and slide the car seat into position. Now take the seat belt and cross the diagonal strap through the headrest opening. Then, pass it through the back of the padding to the other side. Take the buckle and fasten the seat belt. Group 2 and 3. Connect the ISOFIX system and make sure the indicator is green. Group 2 and 3 requires position 2. Push the adjustment lever and slide the car seat into position. Now, remove the extra paddings. Press the lever at the back of the headrest to adjust its height accordingly. Now, extend the seat belt and cross the diagonal strap beside the headrest. Place the belt across your child. And then, fasten the seat belt. Safety harness. Press the harness button at the bottom to loosen the shoulder straps. Stretch out both the straps, and also make sure there are no twists. Unlock the buckle behind the car seat to adjust the height of the shoulder straps according to your child's height. Align both the shoulder strap clips. Then, link them together. Ensure that the clips are oriented correctly. Now, insert them together beneath the red button on the central buckle. Make sure you hear the click sound. Readjust and tighten the shoulder straps by pulling the adjustment strap. You and your little one are now ready to go.